Hi everyone, so my topic of choice for my screencast this time around is obviously going to be my cat. If you had read the previous tab on my About page, you would have learned a little bit about her. Her name is Phoebe. Here is a baby picture of her just a few days after we had gotten her back in December of 2020. And then here's another baby picture of her. This is a picture of her on her tower, which she absolutely loves. And then this is another activity that she also loves, especially during the springtime when she can be in the windowsills and be looking out the windows at all points of the house. Then here's another picture of her just laying on the couch like she always does. I really love this picture because I think the green of the wall really brings out her eyes. And then here's another picture. She's sitting in a chair. I think at this point we were playing catch with the crumpled up post-it notes, which she also loves. And here's the final photo, her on her tower. And this is more of a recent photo because she's wearing her blue collar. She had outgrown her orange collar pretty quickly. And here she's about 2 years old. Thank you.